Hello dear students, I'm Pratima. I welcome you to my channel again. In this series, Can You Solve It? We solve some interesting, tricky questions asked in competitive and CBSE examination. Today, I've taken a question from Maxima Minima, Application of Derivative, Class 12, Mathematics as well as Applied Mathematics. It is asked in CBSE and also in competitive as MCQ question. So for this, what you have to do, you have to read the question very mindfully. The cost of fuel in running an engine is proportional to is 48 per hour when the speed is 16 km. Other costs amounts to rupees 300 per hour. Find the most economical. Again, the cost of fuel in running an engine is proportional to the square of the speed in kilometer per hour. It is given that it is rupees 48 per hour when the speed is 16 km. Other costs amount to rupees 300 per hour. Find the most economical speed. That means you have to find the speed when cost is minimum. So you can now think of how the mathematics is applied in real life. So here, neither distance is given nor speed is given, only is given. So what I'm taking the speed of the train E kilometer per hour. And distance I'm taking as S kilometer. Then how much time it is going? Time is equal to S by V, hour. Information is given, cost of fuel I'm writing C, it is proportional to the square of the speed. So this is some constant into speed is your V, so V square. So the C is cost. This is cost. C is mentioned for cost. C is cost I'm taking. Cost for 1 hour. Because it is per hour, it is given per hour. And here it is given, it is rupees 48 when distance is for 1 hour, it is 16 kilometers. So from this, I'll find K. I'll put, according to the question, cost is given 48 and K is not given. V is given 16 square. Or I'll get K is equal to 48 upon 16 into 16. That will be 3 by 16. So I got K. Now I can write C expression. C is how much? C should be KV square. K is 3 by 16 into V square. But this is not only the cost. Cost is again 300 per hour is extra cost. So cost for 1 hour is equal to 3 by 16 V square plus 300. Then it is going for this many hours. So total cost, or let me represent as economical cost, E. I'm writing here E is economical cost. What is economical cost? This is minimum cost. So we know that when anything is minimum, its derivative is 0. So we'll apply this concept and we'll get the answer. So E is equal to cost per 1 hour multiplies by this many hours. So it will be S by V into 3 by 16B square plus 300. Simplify this. E is equal to S I am taking outside 3 by 16 because S will be constant. V plus 300 upon V. This is your economical cost. This will be minimum. When this is minimum, its derivative is 0. So going for derivative now. Of economical cost with respect to speed is equal to S constant. It will be 16 because V is 1 minus 1 by V, derivative is minus 1 by V square. So it will be negative this much. What should be it is? It is equal to 0 because E is minimum. So I'm getting 3 by 16 minus 300 by V square is equal to 0, or 300 by V square is equal to 3 by 16. So let us simplify. This gives me V square is equal to 1600 or V is equal to 40. So economical speed kilometer per hour. If it is an MCQ question, the answer will be up to this. But if it is a CBSE question, then we'll go for verification. Verification of what? Verification with second derivative. Why? When this is anything in minimum, its second derivative is positive. So I'll go for derivative of, what was the derivative? dv by h equal to s into 3 by 16 minus 300 square. Now I'm getting again its derivative. S into this is 0, it will be positive 300 by V cube. Only this will be positive. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Again, we'll